We arrived to Navy Base Coronado. We were given badges that said guests of the commander of the Air Wing, which was very exciting. Then they gave us a briefing on the history of naval aviation and what to expect when we trapped onto the carrier. And they led us to the airport where we put on all the protective gear, which was weird. I'm not used to all of that. So we put on all the protective gear, got on the plane, and flew for about an hour and a half, and all of a sudden, it's great. They yell, here we go, here we go, here we go, and then bam, you're stopped. It's crazy. And so we did that pretty much the first day. We viewed flight operations, and then we got to eat in the wardroom, which was very fancy. And then went back and watched night flight ops, which was scary and amazing, and I couldn't get any pictures of it because it was nighttime, so it was almost like that was the part where we just experienced what was happening. Then they showed us to our staterooms, which was beautiful and wonderful, and then woke us up the next morning with a certificate of having had our first trap and made us honorary naval aviators, which was really cool because now I'm gonna get brown shoes. And then the next day, each department had a presentation ready for us. So we went from department to department, and they talked to us about what they did and how they accomplished it all the way through until about 2 o'clock when we got on the plane and were catapulted off of the aircraft carrier, which was probably the most exciting thing that's ever happened to me in my life. The opportunity to meet the people that use the Navy systems, and in particular, obviously, the SPAWAR systems, brought me back reinvigorated. I am ready to help our Navy fight and win.